Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Excel's if function uses a single formula to test a condition, returning one value if the condition is true and another if it's false. This is great for simple choices, but what if you need various possible outcomes based on different conditions? In this video, I will show you how to use the if function in Excel that has multiple conditions. Let's go. For multiple conditions, you can try nesting. This means writing one if function inside another, allowing you to check multiple conditions and get different results for each possible outcome. First, pick the cell where you want your results. Then clearly define the question you're trying to answer, along with the results you want to see when the condition is true or false. To avoid syntax errors, make sure that each parameter in your if statement is comma separated. As an example, I want to rate employees based on their daily tasks. In this case, let's label them exceptional for 500 or more tasks, satisfactory for between 250 and 499, and needs improvement for less than 250. Start your statement by typing equals if open parentheses close parentheses, and provide the initial logical expression, which is cell D2 greater than or equal to 500, followed by a comma. If this condition returns true, you can either write a string manually or reference a cell value. When referencing a static value in a cell, don't forget to press F4 to lock and make it absolute. Next, specify the subcondition when the initial expression returns false. Enter another if function containing the logical expression. Cell D2 greater than or equals to 250. Similarly to the previous statement, click on the satisfactory cell in the criteria table and lock the reference with the F4 key. Lastly, click on the last criteria to set it as the result if the second expression is false, and lock the reference as well. Avoid syntax errors by reviewing your statement and making sure the appropriate closing parentheses are included. Once your statement is complete, double-click the bottom corner of the cell to apply the same condition to the remaining rows in your table. Nested if statements can be a helpful way to handle situations where you have several different criteria to check. But as you add more and more conditions, they can quickly become complex and difficult to manage. For improved readability, consider using the ifs function to replace the long statement with a single condition. Start with equals ifs open parentheses close parentheses. Write the first criteria, which is cell D2 greater than or equal to 500, comma, followed by the cell reference for exceptional, and press F4 key to make it absolute. Next, enter the second criteria, cell D2 greater than or equal to 250, followed by the cell reference for satisfactory. Finally, add the last expression, cell D2 less than or equal to 249. Then choose and make the cell reference absolute as well. Compared to nested if statements, the ifs function is less prone to errors and easier to read, especially with complex conditions. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.